Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add documents to Zotero. Zotero is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your research, and getting your documents into it is the first step. We'll cover the most straightforward and efficient ways to populate your library, ensuring you can quickly organize all your valuable resources. Whether you're importing from a database or adding a standalone PDF, these methods will streamline your workflow and save you precious time. The Zotero connector is your best friend for quickly adding items. Once installed in your browser, simply visit the web page of the article or document you wish to save. Click the small Zotero icon, which often looks like a page or folder in your browser's toolbar. Zotero will then work its magic, pulling in all the relevant metadata and even the PDF if available, directly into your library. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Adding standalone PDFs or other files is also incredibly simple. You can drag and drop a PDF directly into your Zotero library. Zotero will attempt to create a new item and extract its metadata. Alternatively, if you have an existing item, you can drag a PDF onto it to attach the file. This is perfect for supplementary materials or when Zotero couldn't automatically find the PDF during a web save. You have full control over how your files are stored. For those unique cases where automatic saving isn't possible, manual entry is your solution. Click the green plus sign at the top of your Zotero library to create a new item. You can then select the item type and fill in all the details yourself. A powerful shortcut here is to use identifiers like a DOI or ISBN. Simply enter one of these into the magic wand icon, and Zotero will often fetch the metadata for you, saving you significant typing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.